Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful unit with a hot glue gun in 30 minutes. Okay, this is extremely easy to do, super beginner friendly because I'm still a beginner, believe it or not. And if you're interested in knowing how to do this, just keep on watching. The first thing you should know is I actually don't glue the closure onto the wig cap because I don't think it's really that secure for a closure because you actually kind of manipulate the closure a lot by combing it and parting it and all that kind of stuff. So I always sew down my closure, but this takes about 5 minutes to do. Like, sewing is very easy, okay? And to create this unit, I'm using Lumiere Hair. I received 3 bundles of 16-inch Brazilian straight and also a 16-inch Brazilian straight lace closure. And these are 2 bundles, but I ended up using 2.5 bundles. So to start off, I always apply a plastic bag onto my mannequin head because the hot glue can drip through the cap, so it kind of gets messy, so you have to be careful with that. And then I apply hot glue with my hot glue gun onto the wig cap, and then I just glue the track onto my wig cap. I don't know guys, this tutorial will be very self-explanatory because it's so easy, but I just want to show you guys how I do the first track. I actually never apply my first track onto my elastic band from the wig cap. I don't know why, this is just my way of doing it. I've always done it this way, so yeah, this is just my method, okay? But I always do it like this, and I'm also not planning to put this wig up in a ponytail or something like that, so my hair is always down, so you won't even notice that there's like some wig cap sticking out in the back. So I really don't mind, and my wigs always come out great whenever I do it like this. And when I'm done gluing, I just cut the track. Okay, I don't do the fold over method because I want my wig to lay very flat. I'm not afraid of shedding because I am gluing this hair down. Okay, so the glue will hold the hair strands very well in the tracks. So I don't really worry about shedding or something like that. Okay, and I am leaving about a ½ inch in between the tracks, and that's good for about 2.5 bundles of hair. So 3 bundles was like more than enough. So if you want to do this method, just make sure you have like 3 bundles if you want to be safe. And as far as the pattern goes, the pattern that I follow to glue my tracks, I actually just kind of lay them horizontally, nothing special. But when I approach the closure, I just make sure that I'm laying the tracks in a U shape, but you'll see in a second. Okay, so this video is very self-explanatory. You can just watch how I do it and you'll get it immediately. Oh yeah guys, by the way, I forgot to mention, a question that I get a lot is, does the glue last for a while? Can I wash my units whenever I use this method? And much more. So the thing is, this glue lasts. Like, this glue is bomb to glue down your wefts, but it will get loose after about 3 weeks or something like that. Or if you wash it about 2 times, then the glue will kind of loosen up, but it's not like a lot. So if you see a track kind of loosening up, then you can just take your hot glue gun again and sew down the track where it loosened up, and then you know you're good to go again. So this method, I prefer this method over sewing because it's extremely easy to do. And when I sew down a unit, then it takes me days to complete the unit, and I really don't like that. But sewing down is indeed more sturdy than just gluing down. But yeah, I really like this method because it's very easy, it's beginner friendly, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So I just finished gluing down my last track onto my unit, and now you will see why we use the plastic bag for the mannequin head. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of sticky inside, but you can just pull the plastic bag out of the unit. And now I'm just cutting out the closure area. And by the way, guys, be careful while cutting out that part, because if you cut too close to your sewed thread, then you did all of that for nothing, okay? Been there, done that, just saying. So this closure looks extremely natural. The fact that I don't have to customize the middle part, like the parting space, is amazing. Like, that looks really natural. But what I absolutely don't like about this closure is all these flyaways. Like, can you see all these hairs sticking up? Like, it is like 50% almost of that closure is flyaways. I really don't get it. Like, can you see all of that? I really don't like that. I know there's a good way to fix it, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a second, but it's just very, very strange. Like, as you can see right now, what the heck is that? Like, I really don't like that. So I just went ahead and washed this unit, and as you can see, the hair is laying extremely flat right now. Like, right now the closure is looking bomb, like bomb, but I really just don't get it. Why all these damn flyaways? Like, I really don't like that. But hey, I fixed it, so everything is good, right? And don't mind the little glue parts that are sticking out. You can just cut that away with a scissor, like nothing special. So after washing this unit, I blow dried this unit, and now it's time to flat iron this unit, because I am going to cut the hair later on, okay? Because the ends are kind of see-through. This is kind of a layered cut, and I was really aiming for a blunt cut, like a bob at first, but then I thought like, no, maybe I'll do like a long blunt bob cut kinda, and it turned out really cool. I just freestyled this. I used a regular scissor. I didn't use clippers or something like that because I don't have clippers. But if you use clippers, that would probably be better to create a blunt cut, because scissors is not really the right tool to create this type of cut. Okay, so if you want to do this, just use clippers, okay? So I just wanted to get rid of these stringy ends, these see-through ends, and as you can see, the unit looks a lot better, looks very full and super flawless, and has a lot of movement, and I love it. So this is the end result, and as you can see, the unit looks so cute. Like, I'm in love, and the hair is extremely soft and doesn't tangle and doesn't shed because I glued this down. So I glued this down in 30 minutes, and styling time was about 20 minutes. So that's still better than days of sewing down a unit, okay? So I'm extremely in love with the results. And let me know down in the comment section which method you like to do to create your units. This is my favorite method. Which one is yours? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.